Question: PS. If x and y are negative, and x to the power of 4 minus y to the power of 4 is less than 0, which of the following must be true? Option 1, x is less than y. Option 2, x times y is less than y squared. Option 3, x plus y whole squared is less than x minus y whole squared. Solution: the second fundamental concept in inequality. When we add or subtract a certain number from both sides of the inequality, the sign of inequality does not change. So, if we add or subtract x from both sides of an inequality, it does not affect the inequality sign. If a is greater than b, then a plus minus x is greater than b plus minus x. We are required to select the options that are true if x and y are negative, and x to the power of 4 minus y to the power of 4 is less than 0. This type of question appears in the exam often. Remember the solving process. No worries. A person competent enough to go to an MBA program should not be overwhelmed by this question. The equation x to the power of 4 minus y to the power of 4 is less than 0 can be further expanded as whole of x squared plus y squared times whole of x squared minus y squared is whole less than 0. We know that as x times y is not equal to 0, x squared plus y squared will always be positive. Thus, x squared minus y squared is less than 0. Now, x squared minus y squared is less than 0 can be further written as whole of x plus y times whole of x minus y is whole less than 0. However, as we know that x and y are negative, their sum, x plus y, will also be negative. So x minus y is greater than 0. Option 1, x is less than y. We have found that x minus y is greater than 0. So adding y to both the sides by the second fundamental concept in inequality, we get x minus y plus y is greater than 0 plus y, or x is greater than y. Hence this option is not true. Option 2, x times y is less than y squared. We have found that x is greater than y, so multiplying both sides by y, and since y is less than 0, and by the second property of inequality, which is negative rule in inequality, we get x times y is less than y times y, or x times y is less than y squared. Hence this option is true. Option 3, x plus y whole squared is less than x minus y whole squared. Now let us expand the terms in the inequality. X plus y whole squared is less than x minus y whole squared. We get x squared plus 2 times x times y plus y squared is less than x squared minus 2 times x times y plus y squared, or 2 times x times y is less than negative 2 times x times y, or 2 times x times y plus 2 times x times y is less than 0, by the second fundamental concept. This means that 4 times x times y is less than 0, or x times y is less than 0 by the first property of inequality, which is positive rule in inequality. Since x and y are negative, the product of two negative numbers is positive, thus x times y is greater than 0. Since this option simplifies to x times y is less than 0, this option is not true. Only option 2 is correct, and thus B is the right answer. Answer B.